Spraying vinegar around the toilet, what it is for and why it is recommended. White vinegar is one of the most widely used products in homes because of its versatility and low cost. Although it is usually used for cooking, more and more people are adding it to their cleaning routines thanks to its property and the multiple uses it can have around the house. One of the tips that gain popularity consists of spraying it around the base of the toilet, a practice that, according to cleaning specialists, it can help keep the area cleaner and reduce the appearance of bad odors. White vinegar contains acetic acid, a compound that helps loosen dirt, residue, and neutralize some odors, which is why many people use it as a complement to regular bathroom cleaning. According to home cleaning specialists, this simple trick can offer several advantages. It helps reduce bad odors that form around the toilet. It helps prevent the buildup of stains caused by moisture. It makes cleaning easier in one of the areas where dirt can concentrate the most. It complements bathroom hygiene between one deep cleaning and the next. The procedure is simple and does not require additional products. Before starting, it is recommended to remove any visible dirt from the surface. Then simply spray white vinegar around the base of the toilet and let it act for 10 to 15 minutes. After that, you can use a damp cloth or a soft brush to remove the residue and finish the cleaning as usual. Although vinegar is a very commonly used ingredient for household cleaning, specialists remind us that it should never be mixed with bleach or chlorine or with other chemical products. This combination can generate gases that are dangerous to health. So the most advisable thing is to use each product separately and keep the area well ventilated. Beyond being inexpensive and easy to get, white vinegar become a practical alternative for those looking for keep the bathroom in better condition without resorting the specific products for each surface. Although it does not replace a deep disinfection, it can be a good complement to daily cleaning and help keep the toilet free of odors and surface dirt. I hope you found this video useful. If you do, please share this video with your friends and family and don't forget to subscribe my channel.